Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to see about the abstract classes and what it do. Actually, abstract class is not generally used to create an instance of a class, or it doesn't have any constructor. The main motive to create abstract class is to in inherit to other classes. As you can see here, I have created a class employee and another class in which we have inherited it, and in the another class developer, and in second another class which is manager. So we this class is basically used to create an we can say that to inherit other classes and used to define function in this class only. As you can see, we have defined two function accept and display, which we haven't given any values or any, we can say that, parameters, etc. We have just specified these functions too. So basically, the first thing we have to do is to initialize this, or we can say that import this to classes which are ABC meta and abstract methods from the module ABC. And the another thing is to create meta class, and in this meta class it is very important to as we have passed this ABC meta, so there is no the class is an work as an abstract class, and we have used a decorator at the rate extract method to create abstract method accept and display. So what this basically do, it and we have inherited employee class in the class developer and the manager, and we have initialized it. So I forgot to write this code number place. So we want to increase employee as, okay. So this is and we are here going to print this. We can say that. And here we are going to use a decorator, and just copy this function name. Number of employee str string employee dot, we are using here number of that's an so let's just execute this code Name, I'm just writing a name, Arun. Salary 10,000. So here it is, and in another class, another person, George, and salary 40,000. And department, computers. That's it. Oh, I forgot to use this function. So let's just. So this time again I'm going to pass Arun 10,000 and manager George 40,000 IT take. Sorry for that, I forgot to mention yourself. Ten thousand 40,000 department IT. So that's it. As you can see here, it is we have the number of employees 2, which you have inherited from this from here. As we have inherited these three functions in the classes developer and manager, and you can see so you can download the code from the GitHub file. I will put it on this put it on my GitHub profile and in the description, and any queries you can write it on comment section, or if you are new and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And any comments related to video or what video I should make, please write it on the comment section. And I always make a program videos on programming language and Python. So that's it. Thank you for watching.